Hi friends, welcome to the Unit 2 Day 5 video. In this one we're going to go an example where we're given the transformations as a sentence and then we're going to apply it to an equation. So here what we have is we have all the information kind of written out in words, and now we have to translate it to symbols. So here we know that it's a quadratic, so that tells me that's going to be y equals x squared. If it shifted 5 units to the right, that's going to be x minus 5. 6 units down, well, if it's 6 units down, that tells me it's going to be a minus 6. And the vertex is a maximum. If it's a maximum, that means that the vertex for the quadratic has to open downward. Well, what does this tell me if it opens downward? That tells me that this is going to be a reflection across the x-axis. So we're going to have a negative value for our negative a value. So linking all of these together, this gives me y equals opposite negative x minus 5 quantity squared, and then minus 6. So those link all of those together into one. Number 4, an absolute value function. So this tells me that it's going to be a y equals absolute value of x. Has a vertical stretch of 2, so that tells me it's going to be y equals 2 times whatever it is. It's shifted down 2 units, so that tells me that it's going to be a minus 2 at the end, and then 8 units to the left. If it's going to the left, that tells me it's going to be kind of an x plus 8 to the left of the parent function. So that tells me that it doesn't look like that there's a reflection or anything. So linking all these together, I have y equals, it said vertical stretch of 2, so that tells me 2 times the absolute value of x plus 8, and then minus 2. This is a cubic function, number 5. A cubic function means it's going to be y equals x cubed. Shifted 3 units to the left, so that's going to be x plus 3. 7 units down, it's going to be minus 7. And the graph approaches infinity as x approaches negative infinity. So if I think about that, as x approaches negative infinity, so as x goes to the left, then that's going to go up like this. So I'm just going to go back and check. Looking at our graph from the cubic that we have earlier, that's actually kind of the opposite of what it did. So the way that we would obtain this is we would need it to reflect either a reflection across the x-axis or a reflection across the y-axis. So we just need to put an opposite sign somewhere in this. And the best place, I think, is going to be right in front of the x plus 3 quantity cubed. So x plus 3 quantity cubed there, negative sign from there, and then minus 7. The best thing to do is kind of list out each of these individual pieces separately and then link them all together into one cohesive equation. This is the end of the Unit 2 Day 5 notes. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!